What's up guys? So it's been raining for a while and I'll show you. What the fuck? Yeah, so that sucks and that led to, oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is all water. You guys know that I had a huge problem with water leaking into my trunk. Some people say that the sunroof, actually tubes for the sunroof, the drain tubes, they'll clog up and sometimes that'll lead to the trunk gathering water. Personally, I've seen water come from the trunk here a little bit, so I'm gonna investigate that. And also, I'm hoping that it's not the case, but some people say that it also leaks through this area right here, which I have to order butyl anyways for another mod, so I might put that off to another day. But let's get to changing out the gaskets for the taillights, because people say that the OEM ones are kind of flimsy, they kind of collapse on themselves. I bought a set that is, I bought this, which is thicker than the OEM and should hold some of the water out. Right, so not even 5 minutes into this, I was looking at my driver's side taillight and I noticed that the dealer broke one of my studs from the repairs that they made. Someone had rear-ended me. So that actually might be a source of my problem, and I will find out soon enough. So for the inner trunk lights, it's very simple. You have 1, 2, 3, and then this fourth stud right here on the outside, and then it should just come back out. I'm not able to help. So I just uninstalled this first one, and this has very little give to it. So it's probably good to change it, but I'm not sure how to take this off the right way. I might just peel it off the best I can and then slap the new one on top. So I just applied the new gasket. It's substantially thicker, and you can see that I've taken the old gasket off. It actually wasn't too hard. I just had to start at one corner and work around it, kind of like a racetrack. So as I said, you just start from one corner and you kind of just peel until you get a good start and just work your way around. And after you're all done, you just slap this on. There you have it. Very simple. For the corner lights, it's a little bit more involved, just barely. But there's this one clip right here, which is pretty easy to take out. What you just do is you push the center, and then once you push the center, it's already unlocked. And you just, very simple. And to reset it, you just pull these wider, and then you just kind of shimmy your way back up to reset it. Same story with the rear tail light. You have just four 8mm bolts, and then that comes out. When I was replacing this corner light, I noticed that this quarter panel had been repainted at some point. One of the clips here had some overspray on it, so that gave away a piece of it. And then I was looking at this area and this crack, and I can kind of sort of see a crack. So when the butyl comes in, I'll definitely be sealing this crack, the seam right here, as well as probably just tucking in some into this area just for good measure. I notice on this side it's much smoother. I don't really see much, but on that side it's pretty prominent. So I don't think that I'll be trying to clean out the sunroof tube. When I checked, when I removed this area, I could see the tube and it seemed pretty clean. So that'll be it for today. I forgot to update you guys. So I added the butyl. Looks kind of gross, looks like poop, but this was actually the solve for the headlight leak. I added a little bit on this side too as well, just a little bit, but the seams did split. The gaskets for the tail lights didn't help as much as this butyl in the seams. So if you're having a huge leak problem, from my experience, it's basically because your quarter panel seams are coming away from your chassis. And yeah, this was a pretty easy way to fix it. It's been 2 months since I made my trunk modifications for this car, and seems like it's going pretty well because I haven't seen any leaks. Maybe just a drip here or there during super heavy,